Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. We're going to be making a baked cheesecake, and this is a vegan recipe, dairy-free, gluten-free, grain-free, all those free things, but it's delicious. It's a really good one. And our crust is made with walnuts and sunflower seeds and buckwheat groats, and a little vanilla powder, or you can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla powder, and dates. That's it. And we're going to blend this together with just a small amount of water as we go until it's the right consistency. And I'm just going to pour a little water in there to start. And that's it. That's your crust. Now I'm using a springform pan, but you can use any. This is nice because when you're done, you can just take it out like that. And your sides are nice and even. But if you don't have one, you can use anything you have. You can use a 9x9 pan, a pie pan, a cake pan, whatever you have. We'll put that on the bottom. Now we just push this down on the bottom with your fist till it's nice and flat. You just want to make sure you push it down really well. And that's your pie crust. Now you don't have to wash your container. Just throw everything in there. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, we're going to put some coconut yogurt in the bottom. Put your wettest ingredients first. Some coconut cream. Coconut oil. Some macadamia nuts, or you can use cashews, some dates, and that's all of that. Now we're going to put a little water over this. And add some psyllium and some arrowroot and a little vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, you can use vanilla extract. Also going to put 2 drops of lemon oil. This is doTERRA brand. Young Living and doTERRA are the only 2 that are therapeutic grade that you can use in your food. Most other essential oils you can't. They have to be therapeutic grade. They're the only ones I know of. There may be other ones out there, but they're the only 2 that I trust right now. That's it, just 2 drops of each of those. Adds amazing flavor. Oh, and I forgot, this is important. This is a cream cheese. It's called, I don't know how to say that, Mayoko, I think. And I like this vegan cream cheese because they don't use all those gums that most of the other cream cheeses use that are hard to digest. A lot of us have trouble with guar gum and xanthan gum and those things. So that's why I like this one. But there's more and more good cream cheese alternatives out there. So put that in there on the top. And also, there's something hiding back here. There's a little lemon juice. We'll put that in. Couple tablespoons of lemon juice. And that's it. Now whip that up. Perfect. And we're done. Pour this on top of your crust. Right now we take this to the oven. And here's how the cheesecake looks when it's ready to eat. You just have to refrigerate it for a few hours after it cools down and enjoy. And for more videos like this one, check out our social media pages and visit our website. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.